Hello and welcome to this video. What is MongoDB? MongoDB is a document database. MongoDB stores data in flexible JSON-like documents. What that means is that the fields can vary from documents to document, and the data structure can be changed over time. With MongoDB, the document model maps the objects in your application code, making data easy to work with. MongoDB is free to use and it's also open source. MongoDB is a distributed database, so it is highly available. It has horizontal scaling and geographic distribution, which are built in and easy to use. MongoDB is flexible and scalable with querying and indexing. So you can do ad hoc queries, indexing, and real-time aggregation, which provides powerful ways for you to access and analyze your data. So thanks for watching. That's it for this introduction to MongoDB. Thanks and bye for now.